Welcome to the enchanting world of Liverpool, a city that captivates hearts with its rich history, vibrant culture, and warm spirit. Nestled on the banks of the iconic River Mersey, Liverpool is a place where time-honored traditions blend seamlessly with modern creativity. Whether you are a music lover, a football enthusiast, an architecture admirer, or simply an avid traveler seeking new experiences, Liverpool has something magical to offer.
In this vlog, we will embark on a journey through the streets of Liverpool, exploring its hidden gems, iconic landmarks, and the beating pulse of its people. We'll delve into the fascinating stories of this city's past and present, unearthing the secrets that make Liverpool an extraordinary destination.
From the world-renowned Beatles history to the breathtaking Albert Dock, we will traverse the city's landscapes, guided by the whispers of its legends. Together, we'll uncover the passion for football that runs through the veins of this city, witnessing the electric atmosphere at Anfield and Goodison Park. But Liverpool is more than just its famous attractions. It is a city of community and welcoming hospitality. As we walk through the lively neighborhoods, we'll be embraced by the warmth of the locals, each eager to share their unique stories and experiences.
So won't you dare to sing? Ooh, yeah. These songs of freedom. It's all I ever said from it.
Join me as we immerse ourselves in the diverse culture, the mouth-watering cuisine, and the artistic expressions that make Liverpool a destination unlike any other. Together, we'll uncover the hidden gems that lie just beyond the tourist hotspots and discover the soul of this vibrant city.
Whether you're planning your first visit to Liverpool or have already fallen in love with its charm, this vlog will be your companion to navigate the wonders of this captivating city. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an exhilarating adventure through the heart of Liverpool.
Now we are going to the famous Albert Docks. Albert Dock is an iconic and historically significant complex of dock buildings located on the waterfront of Liverpool, England. It is one of the city's most popular attractions, drawing visitors from all over the world with its fascinating history, stunning architecture, and vibrant atmosphere. Built between 1841 and 1846, Albert Dock was a revolutionary feat of engineering during the Industrial Revolution. It was the first structure in the UK to be constructed entirely from cast iron, brick, and stone, without using any wood. This made it fireproof, an essential feature for the storage of valuable goods like tobacco, cotton, and brandy. Albert Dock, along with other historic buildings in Liverpool, was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2004. This prestigious status recognizes its outstanding universal value and cultural significance, as it played a vital role in the development of maritime trade and commerce in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Albert Dock boasts an array of attractions and cultural venues. The Merseyside Maritime Museum explores Liverpool's maritime history, while the International Slavery Museum delves into the city's involvement in the transatlantic slave trade. The Tate Liverpool showcases contemporary art, and the Beatles Story Museum immerses visitors in the legendary band's history. The Dock is also a fantastic destination for foodies and shoppers. A variety of restaurants and cafes offer delectable cuisines with stunning waterfront views. The shopping complex hosts boutique shops, galleries, and craft stores where visitors can find unique souvenirs and locally made products. Albert Dock is not just a historical site. It's a dynamic hub where the past meets the present. As you stroll along the beautifully restored quayside, you'll feel the echoes of Liverpool's maritime heritage. The dock's timeless appeal makes it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the vibrant city of Liverpool. Liverpool's waterfront is a captivating area with a rich history and a plethora of attractions that offer something for everyone. Take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront promenade, offering picturesque views of the River Mersey. Capture the iconic Three Graces buildings, the Royal Liver Building, the Cunard Building, and the Port of Liverpool Building, as they majestically line the waterfront. Liverpool Pier Head. Admire the awe-inspiring liver birds atop the Royal Liver Building, symbolizing the city's spirit and resilience. The pier head is a popular spot for photos and offers a perfect view of the River Mersey. Liverpool Wheel. For panoramic views of the city and its waterfront, take a ride on the Liverpool Wheel. This giant Ferris wheel offers an unforgettable perspective of the area's landmarks and beyond. As the birthplace of the Beatles, Liverpool celebrates its musical heritage at the Beatles' story. Immerse yourself in the band's incredible journey, from their early days in the Cavern Club to global stardom. Now we have Eurovision Week, and we can enjoy this atmosphere.
Which this was something I could just ignore. Well, you know what they say. Fuck. The assholes make sure no one loses the way. Now I got so much on my plate. Now save all the others, place for me. Oh yeah. Oh, I am bored. Now I got so much on my plate. I save all the others, 'cause for me.
Let's try to get a little bit out of the city center and see what we've got. Liverpool is home to two prominent football clubs, known worldwide for their rich history, passionate fan bases, and numerous successes in domestic and international competitions. These two clubs are Liverpool Football Club and Everton Football Club. Liverpool Football Club LFC. Founded in 1892, Liverpool FC, often referred to simply as Liverpool, is one of the most successful and popular football clubs in England and the world. The club's iconic red kit, the Anfield Stadium, and the famous "You'll Never Walk Alone" anthem have become symbols of its legacy. And of course, we will visit it today. Everton Football Club. Founded in 1878, Everton FC, also known as the Toffees or the Blues, is another storied football club based in Liverpool. The team's blue kit and Goodison Park Stadium, one of the oldest football grounds in England, are integral to its identity. As mentioned earlier, the Merseyside derby against Liverpool is Everton's fiercest rivalry. This local rivalry dates back over a century and is one of the most anticipated fixtures in the football calendar. Tipper.
Both Liverpool and Everton hold a special place in the hearts of the people of Liverpool. The devotion and passion of their fans, combined with the club's legendary achievements, make football an integral part of the city's cultural fabric. Their rivalry and iconic presence in the sport have contributed to making Liverpool a footballing hotspot, drawing fans from across the globe to witness the magic of the beautiful game. And of course, we visited the live pool match and enjoyed this atmosphere.
I'll bring it up.
The fans of the team support the team like a member of their family. Even with unsuccessful actions, they continue to do so. What says about their attitude towards the players and the club? You'll never walk alone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.